is a great news for the students who are starting their career in computer science and IT industry. Netaji Subhash Engineering College is going to offer a new program, B.Tech in CS and IT. The entire syllabus is almost similar like the current syllabus of B.Tech Computer Science and Engineering and B.Tech IT. But considering the impact of the recent trends in the industry, some new courses have been introduced in this program like mobile app development, full stack development for web technology, advanced programming for real life programming.
This particular course is a perfect combination of core computer science subjects and hands-on and real-time applications of information technology. This newly launched course is specially preparing steps towards the future innovators and tech leaders.
Students who are willing to take admission in B.Tech CS and IT,
visit our Netaji Subhash Engineering College.